Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to show you how to modify a PowerPoint in Teams. So I'm again in Noah Ross's team, and the only PowerPoint that I know that he's been given is, oh, I guess we could go to math. Let's go to math because math is something that we all teach. Um, let's see. I hope not to mess it up. Let's see. So he has this review. Oh, that's a PDF. Never mind. Let's go back to ELA. Because I don't remember where. Okay, so he actually completed a assignment this last week for Mrs. OKK in PowerPoint. So I'm going to have to go to the completed here down at the bottom and scroll down to it. It was his note cards. And here is the PowerPoint template that she put in or attached to this assignment. I will say that several of the students did not know how to insert text boxes. So maybe if you're going to have your students do that, you might want to attach a video to show them how to do it. But let me go ahead and open this. And like I showed you with Word, when we open this directly from the assignment, we're not going to be able to change anything about it. We can look at it, but we can't change it. So we are going to want to open it in Desktop, which is right here. And hopefully it will work this time. Okay, maybe not. It says resume editing. Maybe it'll let me edit it then. I prefer to do it in Desktop, but let's see. So she's got these words, and what they had to do was, this was basically blank, and they had to put in text boxes. And I showed Noah how to do it, and I showed another student how to do it. But this was her way of doing vocabulary note cards. She gave an example of what she wanted it to look like. And once the student is finished, they just press close and then turn in. And they're good to go. So that's how you assign a PowerPoint if you want them to do text boxes.